Hello everybody, TV is here again with the Dia behind the camera from enjoystarfood.
Hello everyone.
Today, there we are.
There we are, kebab zade.
So pretty much their menu is about barbecue. They have the kebabs. They have a Turkish dishes like Adana kebab and some sea kebabs, shawarma platters, shawarma wraps, and
What we are
so we're gonna eat today Mutton Mandi. We're gonna try that
Mutton
today.
Mandi.
Yeah, so we're gonna try this today, and we just ordered Mutton Mandi for 2 people, and we're waiting for that. So once it's gonna be on our table, we'll share with you the taste and how it is. But the ambience is you can see that it's good and tastes not bad. They have pretty good sitting place. You can guys come here and enjoy the food. Once our food is on the table, we'll get back to you soon, guys. Okay, so guys, so our food is on the table. Look at that. So we have a mandi rice, some raisins, some dry fruits, greens, 2 big shanks. You see that? And then we have 2 kind of sauces. I'm not sure. Maybe it's hopeful. This is one of the mandi sauce. Usually they serve with it. And what is that, man?
garlic sauce.
I'm not sure. I'll taste and I'll let you know, guys. Should we try, man? Right? Okay. I'm gonna try first rice. It's a big quantity rice. You can see here. It's pretty much big. It's served with a big kind of I'm not sure it's bamboo platter or something like that. This is a bamboo platter, and we have almond. We have cashew nuts, raisin, right? So let me try first rice, and we'll see how it is. It's salty, very moderate, very good. I can feel the hot sauce type aroma. Let me try first. This is the mandi sauce. So we should put it on here. Some of them. Let me try. What is that? Okay. Yeah, this is garlic sauce. And now I'm gonna take. Oh, here you go, guys. See that how tender it is. Shank. See. Let me try this just shank. There's some marination on it. I can feel. Very nice taste. So let's try the rocket bite, right? So I'm gonna take some shank. I'm gonna take some mandi sauce. I put it already, and I'm gonna put some raisins. Okay, and are you guys ready? Okay. Just very good. So sweet. Very nice. You guys should try this mandi here, man. So thank you very much for watching our channel, enjoystarfood. Any final word, Dia?
Thanks for watching.